How to find battery status on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. Scroll down and click on battery information. So after click on battery information, you will see first option is battery status. So if you want to find battery status, so click on battery status. You will see now here showing you not charging, so power cable in insert phone, and after insert power cable you will see charging AC is here. So remove power cable. So after remove power cable you will see. So after find battery status, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can find battery status on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.